There are sellers making six figures a year selling AI art as digital downloads on Etsy. Now, Etsy is one of the few marketplaces that actually brings its own traffic to its sellers, but if you're not using another tool in connection with Etsy, you might be leaving money on the table. Now, this marketing traffic engine that I'll be talking about in this video is Pinterest. Pinterest is hands down the best traffic source to supplement with Etsy, and there is now a new way to completely automate your Etsy shop and post all your best listings to Pinterest without you even lifting a finger. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So as you can see here, we are starting off with yet another classified CIA document. And this is a big one. This is something that's been in the works for a long time at this point. So without further ado, let's break it all down. Pinterest is the most underrated traffic source for anyone selling on Etsy. So let's start with some facts. By Pinterest's own numbers, they have 619 million estimated monthly users. That is kind of insane. Most people don't even think about Pinterest, but it's actually a goldmine of shoppers, which brings me to my next point here, which is it's actually not necessarily a social media, it's a search engine. For example, people don't go on Pinterest to see a picture from their cousin's birthday party or anything like that. In fact, again, from Pinterest's own self-reported numbers, people show up to buy. They reported that almost 80% of people on the platform reported the intent to purchase. So if you've never gone on Pinterest before, essentially it does sort of look like social media where you scroll through, it has that infinite scroll. But like I mentioned, rather than your friends or family, it's all about inspiration, aesthetics, and actual products that you could put in your home. And here is the craziest statistic of this whole thing. 96% of searches don't even name a brand. What that means is people search vintage wall art or cute coffee mug rather than searching a specific brand or shop name, which means even the tiniest of Etsy shops has a chance to show up in search. And that is the power of Pinterest. Now, one key difference compared to your normal social media like Instagram or Facebook is that on Pinterest, pins don't really expire. If you've ever posted on Instagram, you know that a post is gone in about 48 hours, whereas a Pinterest pin can actually keep working for months or even years in some cases. And in the marketing world, we call that an evergreen traffic source. It just keeps working in the background on repeat. And it actually still even gets better because Pinterest and Etsy have specific synergies that I want to call out. First off, across Pinterest and Etsy, they actually have very similar demographics. So the proportion from men to women, or even the niches and products themselves. And like I mentioned in the beginning, they are both built for discovering products. Etsy has its own built-in marketing and search engine optimization with your titles and tags. And Pinterest has almost the exact same thing with titles and descriptions. But again, it is not like Instagram or Facebook. These users actually have the intent to buy. And so if you add up all the pieces of the puzzle here, what Pinterest actually does is send warm traffic directly to your shop. Essentially, Pinterest seeks out the buyers who already have the highest intent to purchase. Now, this probably sounds amazing, maybe even too good to be true, but let's get into the next section here because there's a reason why not everybody does this. First and foremost, and the most obvious one, is that you kind of have to pin every day. Anywhere from 1 to 3 pins is the sweet spot, but that means more time out of your busy calendar to get this going. And essentially what that consists of is, like I mentioned, titles, descriptions, and then of course the actual graphics for your pins. Again, not necessarily the worst thing ever, but doing 3 of these things every single day becomes a total slog. And so, to sum it up in a few elegant words, ain't nobody got time. But I have some good news, and that is the reason why I'm making this video. This has been a long time coming, and it might be one of the biggest updates we have ever introduced to the Etsy automation system. But now, with our latest update, Downpour does it for you. Downpour is the bulk upload software for Etsy sellers. I'll play a clip of it on the screen now. It essentially allows you to upload dozens to hundreds of listings all in one drag and drop on autopilot. It even uses AI vision and writes your titles, tags, alt text, and descriptions with AI. I am extremely proud of it. On the back end, it is one of the most advanced tools for Etsy sellers out there, but I also made it simple enough that anyone can use it, even if you've never sold on Etsy or you have no tech background whatsoever. And on that note of simplicity and background processing, we have now integrated Pinterest automation inside of Downpour. And this has turned out extremely well. So first things first, Downpour actually looks through your listings and finds your best sellers. Then it uses Downpour's AI to actually write your entire pin. So everything we just talked about, your title, your description, and even your graphics. And you just hit one button, it schedules the pins, and they end up posting themselves. If you've seen any videos on my channel or you're using Downpour in the AI Art Sellers Collective, first of all, thank you so much, and I really appreciate you. And second, you probably know that I love things happening in the background as completely automated as they can possibly be. And this Pinterest automation was no exception. I'll walk through this entire new feature in just a second, but I spent a ton of time making this as simple as humanly possible. What's funny is it's actually a lot easier to make things complicated than it is to make things simple, but I am super proud of the way this turned out. So before we get into the demo, the last thing to point out here is you're still the boss. So nothing posts without your permission. The pins are automatically spread out, so it's never spamming or anything like that. And we even spent a little bit of extra time so that you have this really nice dashboard inside of Downpour where you can see your views, saves, and even clicks to your shop from Pinterest. So again, this is the first ever look at this new feature, and I am extremely proud of it. So let's go ahead and show it in action. So again, there is a lot going on behind the scenes, but I tried to make this Pinterest dashboard as simple as possible. You just connect Downpour to your Pinterest in settings, and then the integration is fully ready to go. As you can see, there's a brand new button for Pinterest that brings you to this Pinterest dashboard, and you can see a couple of different metrics right away. But all you have to do once you land on this Pinterest dashboard is check out the autopilot feature. So all you have to do is select your pins per day, your queue length, and then the board you want to post to. So for example, we could do 1 to 5 pins per day. We can do anywhere from 1 week to 4 weeks out. So we could schedule an entire month's worth of pins. And of course we can choose our board. So maybe I'd choose my wall art board here. And with that, I'm just going to click fill my queue, and we'll let autopilot run and immediately kick off all 7 of our pins. So this is an entire week's worth of pins. They are snapping in now. And you can see we have very similar art designs here, but they each get their own mock-up as the actual pin graphic. Not only that, they have a Pinterest optimized title. You can see here within Pinterest's 100 character limit. We also have an SEO optimized description jam-packed with different keywords. We spent a ton of time optimizing Downpour's AI in the screen specifically for Pinterest. And of course, if you like, you can change the board here at the bottom for each of these individual pins. Now that feels like it's too easy, but it really is that simple. Downpour automatically distributes these across the week, and it'll just automatically post these to Pinterest completely in the background. So you don't have to be logged into Downpour or anything like that. All you do is hit looks good up here, and these will get immediately scheduled. And with that, you can see we have 7 pins scheduled. And if we scroll down here, we can go to the coming up section, and you can see everything has been scheduled, optimized for the best times to actually post to Pinterest. And you can always check out these listings on Etsy or hit the pencil to actually edit the pin before it's posted. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can see this posted section as well with all of your historical pins. And you can see the total views from that pin, the number of times they've actually clicked your Etsy listing from that pin, and the actual saves of that pin. You can check it out on Etsy, or you can actually click this link to check it out on Pinterest once it's posted. And you can see it already gets indexed here with other wall art designs in a similar style. So with that, it is sitting here live on Pinterest, ready to generate you free traffic. Now, this is the first ever demo of this Pinterest automation, and I am super excited for you to try it. We just showed the most simple case, but like I mentioned, you could schedule up to 5 pins per day up to a month out. And autopilot specifically prioritizes your best-selling listings, so everything is fully optimized for you on the back end. This feature has been in the works for months at this point, but I really wanted to make it perfect and absolutely nail it here on this first go. Like I mentioned, it is completely automated traffic to your Etsy shop that you just set up once. And the idea is that you wake up to new eyes on your shop completely automated. Now, this is the first ever version of our Pinterest automation, so we will just continue to make it better and better, which is pretty cool. But on that note, I just wanted to take a second to share that this will not be any additional charge or anything like that. Downpour and the rest of the automation system is fully included in the AI Art Sellers Collective. And even with brand new features and updates like this, or the complete AI titles, tags, and alt text refactor we did a couple days ago, we will not be raising the membership price because I want this to be accessible to everyone. On one hand, integrations like this are not free. They do cost real money on the back end, but I really want anyone to be able to use this automation system to grow their shops if they want to. So with that said, I am super proud to say if you're in the collective right now, no matter what membership plan you're on, this will be fully included. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Features like this only exist because of the back and forth I get from you, so thank you. Every idea, comment, or note that you send back really helps shape Downpour in a major way. And it just keeps helping this system become more and more powerful for more sellers. I seriously think this Pinterest automation is one of the most impactful updates we've ever released in Downpour. In the great words of Alex Hormozy, the more people that know about your stuff, the more people that can buy your stuff. So traffic is a major piece of a digital products business, and hopefully this new Downpour update gives you a boost. And the last thing I want to say is this is completely live in the AI Art Sellers Collective. So you can try this for yourself right now for as many shops as you'd like. Otherwise, I just want to say thank you again for watching. I'm super excited for this feature and more features that we have to come. 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most powerful years for Downpour and the entire automation system. And I am just beyond excited to have updates like this as we roll into the sales explosions that come later in the year. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.